What are you doing today?
Today we are traveling.
And today we're doing a test.
What are you doing a test of?
I'm just playing Shopkins.
Playing Shopkins?
Yeah, that's my favorite game I wanted to play.
Okay.
And look, it has even videos. Let's see here. It's totally from the comments though.
Hold on.
Just done.
So it is Wednesday, I think it's September 6th. Yeah, sorry I've not been doing this for a while, but Daniela and Ray have been sick. It's been taking up all of my time, and now our wonderful friend Hurricane Irma is traveling to the Bahamas.
My wish.
You made a wish?
No.
What's your wish?
Oh, I need another one.
She said your wish didn't come through. I don't have any more coins. You have to wait. Your wish doesn't come through instantly,
You have to wait
Daniela.
for your wish to come through, okay?
Daddy, I'm doing more coins.
Alright, let's go. Hi.
How you doing?
What number are we going on?
17.
Hi.
Hi, you
Go
know.
ahead. Don't move with your bag.
You alright?
Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Alright, so they're the pilots. They're the ones who flew the plane, okay?
You're live. Hello.
Thank you all so much.
Okay. Thank you.
So, taking the time out, gonna go help the in-laws, make sure they get squared away. Daniela's having a ball because I don't know if any of y'all know, but having a Grammy is like the best thing ever. But back to Irma. Irma is probably one of the worst hurricanes that will ever come past the Bahamas, and I pray that everyone takes some time out to prepare properly for it. Get the essential to water, secure yourselves as best as possible. All we could do is hope and pray that somehow it takes an ulterior route, that we don't get the brunt of it, because it's a category 5.